If you're looking to buy or sell a home, you know you need to be calling those Callaways because they are definitely the people that are going to help you out and the best around. And we have Kelly Callaway to tell us about another amazing home.
I have a gem this time.
Really?
This is in the Magic 85254.
Our favorite.
It is, and it is in a gated subdivision.
Oh, wow.
Charming home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1717 square feet.
Nice.
Very open floor plan. It has, this subdivision is a common area where the subdivision takes care of the common area.
Oh, that's nice.
The home has would look like floors. Has a beautiful backyard with a rock waterfall and a built-in barbecue, and absolutely charming, perfect place for entertaining.
That's awesome. Okay, and then what are we looking at a price for this one?
$425,000.
That's fantastic.
In a gated subdivision. It's absolutely
And in our favorite zip
wonderful.
code.
And in our favorite zip code.
Wow, all right. I mean, people definitely, of course, they need to be jumping on this one because this is going to be another one that's going to go really quickly.
I think it's a charmer. It is
Yeah.
absolutely a charmer.
Okay, and as I'm always saying, if this isn't the home for them or if they don't get into this one fast enough, they need to get a hold of you anyway because you can help them buy anything that they need.
It's always our pleasure.
Well, thank you for joining us again.
Thanks, Tiffany.